Forbes Professional, been established since 1926, and we provide our complete care rental solution and also purchase and also servicing and maintenance as well. And this is delivered by our engineers that are trained. We've also got bases throughout the country in Northwest, Midlands, Devon and up in Scotland as well. That allows us to deliver across the country to sectors such as hotels, care homes, hospitals, PBSAs and universities.
A key thing is that we offer a local-based response on a national basis. Our vans are tracked and we can allocate them via proximity to site in order to expedite our responses. And we really do pride ourselves on the fact that we can be there very quickly. And the fact that it's all centralised from head office just keeps things simple. One single point of contact for our clients, which especially for multi-site operators is invaluable.